Today's lesson's on solving two-step equations, and the goal is to solve two-step equations. So let's do a problem with integer coefficients. So you guys did the pouches and coins problems yesterday. You cross things out and move things around. We're doing that now without the drawings. So we're going to solve 5x minus 6 equals negative 21. We start by doing the inverse operation to get the variable term by itself. The variable term in this case is 5x. We want to get 5x all by itself. To do that, we get rid of that minus 6 by adding it to both sides. So that goes away. Negative 21 plus 6 equals negative 15. And from there, inverse operations to get the variable by itself. So 5x equals negative 15. We want x to equal something, so we divide both sides by 5. X equals negative 3. So get the variable term by itself, get the variable by itself. Those are your two steps. Now we have a fraction coefficient. Remember guys, fraction means division. So all this problem is saying is x divided by 3 plus 13 equals 0. So what we're going to do, we will get that x divided by 3 all by itself. So again, we'll set this up for the visual. And to get rid of that plus 13, we subtract 13. Goes away. 0 minus 13 is negative 13. Notice the use of negatives in these problems. Expected knowledge, we're going to keep practicing with them. So now that we're here, we get the x by itself, the variable. So x divided by 3. The opposite of divide by 3 is to multiply both sides by 3. That gets rid of that. So we're left with x equals negative 39. So the steps for an equation with integer coefficient and fraction coefficient, they are the exact same. In math, I've been telling you this a lot this year. Do not worry about weird numbers. Trust the processes, trust the steps being taught to you, the exact same thing, regardless of the coefficients. So now's the time you're going to go ahead, and I'm going to give you 4 problems. You should work them on your own, see what you know. You can pause the video now and try them, or if you don't feel confident, stay with me and work them out. So 60 minus 9 equals negative 15. We're going to add 9 to both sides. Get rid of minus 9 by adding 9. 60 is there. That's gone. Negative 15 plus 9 equals negative 6. Divide both sides by 6 to get rid of that. So d is all by itself. D equals negative 1. Move that out of the way for now. X plus 4 plus x divided by 4 plus 7 equals negative 7. We want x plus 4, x divided by 4 by itself, excuse me. So to get rid of plus 7, we minus 7. Sorry, I'll erase that. So that goes away. Negative 7 minus 7 equals negative 14. The way to undo divided by 4 is to multiply by 4. Leaves you with x equals negative 56. Moving down to problem 3. We got 100 minus 7x equals 44. So we want to get this 7x by itself, so we're going to get rid of 100. Notice what happens here, this negative sign, okay, it stays with 7x. 44 minus 100 equals negative 56. To get x by itself, divide both sides by negative 7. Leaves you with x equal to 8. And finally, we have x divided by 9 minus 4 equals 5. Want that x divided by 9 by itself. So I do that. We will add 4 to both sides. Get rid of that minus 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So we now have x divided by 9. So to get rid of that, we multiply by 9. Okay, do the exact opposite. leaves us with x equal to 81. This concludes your lesson on solving two-step equations.